So I'm here to give a testimonial for Tina for her branding workshop that I just attended today. So Tina's branding workshop was an immensely clarifying and transformative experience. Tina's events are always unforgettable. The genuine connection, intimacy, and depth of presence that transpires at her workshops is just priceless. Tina knows how to move you, stretch you, and bring out the best in you, and that's a gift. I honestly left this branding workshop a different person. I walked out with the perfect story, one I didn't even expect. I already had two other stories in mind when I showed up, but during the workshop, Tina asked the most brilliant questions, and I somehow discovered there was a much more powerful story waiting to be heard. And when that kind of magic happens, I know I'm in the presence of a master coach and story brand strategist because these have been my own fields of experience for years. Sometimes we need the right coach and the right strategies and tools to help us see what we couldn't see on our own. And Tina is just that kind of wizard. The fact that she's so caring and empathetic only makes the experience all the more meaningful and motivating. I feel deeply grateful and blessed to have walked away with the perfect story and to have connected so deeply with so many brave, inspiring, utterly authentic people. Everyone had an incredible story to tell, and they moved me beyond words. So, thank you, Tina, for this beautiful experience and for creating a sacred space for such deep human connection. Even though your workshop showed us how AI can help us lean more fully into who we're becoming and how we're here to serve, what I was truly surprised to experience was the deep presence, resonance, and true human intimacy that shine through. This is how I believe AI is meant to be used in this day and age, and I'm all for that. So, yeah. If you get a chance to experience Tina's AI workshop, go for it. It's so worth it.